Hello, welcome back to the Chess Mindset. So recently chess.com has released some new bots on their website, and these bots are going to be the new to chess bots. So if I just show my screen like this, you guys will see that there are these 5 new bots that just got released. But I will just be playing these 3 bots in this video, and I'm just going to be like trying to speedrun them basically. So we have Zach, who's rated 100 Elo, June, who's rated 100 Elo, and Peep, however you say his name, right, who's rated 150. So I'm going to be playing 1 game each, and basically I'm just going to try to speedrun these bots because obviously they're like pretty low rated, right? So yeah, I'm just going to speedrun against them, and then we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to start with e4, and I'm probably just going to pre-move all of these moves because I don't see why not. Okay, let's just go for, you know what, let's just go for knight here. And okay, he plays that move, which is pretty good. I guess I'll take this and then maybe go here. Okay, thanks for the queen, I guess. Probably take that. Okay, so I guess I'll go, no, let's just castle, bring my queen out, rook out. Okay, I'll bring my queen out, probably knight here, and then probably take this. Okay, so we get the trade, and I'm gonna bring my rook out hopefully. Okay. And okay, free bishop, I guess, and then I'm threatening to like okay, I guess I'll take, actually, you know what, I'm not even gonna take, I'm just gonna go for this, I'm just gonna go for the checkmate basically. Okay, here only move, and where's my checkmate? I guess I have to bring my knight out and then like go like this. Okay, that actually stops me from playing knight here, which is kind of annoying, but I'm gonna go here, same thing. That's kind of annoying. Okay, he's gonna take and I'm gonna take. And how do I finish this? Here and then queen here, and it should be checkmate. Whoops, that is not intended. But yeah, here only move, and then this is just checkmate. Nice. Okay, so that was the first game. Pretty decent game, I'm not gonna lie. So the bot is actually, like, I mean, obviously it just hangs pieces, but like it did do a pretty good job of preventing checkmate, like, at least for a while, right? But yeah, let's move on to this June bot who's rated 100 Elo. And this rook move is crazy. I mean, what the hell is that? Okay, just move it back, alright. I guess I'll go for some checkmate idea with this. Let's see if, okay, she stops that at least. But I can still, okay, so, it's actually kind of annoying. Okay, I'll take this first. And I'll take that. If takes, then I'll probably just check. Or at least I can like win a queen because the queen's trapped. Okay, what is that? Okay, just take. Okay, I'll take the queen. Okay, I guess I will just take this, why not? And then probably take this. Okay, what is this? Now I can just do a discover check. And I guess I'll go here, discover check. Take this, probably go here, and I'll go here. Fork. Okay, I guess I'll take this. And she's gonna take that, and then I'll just push this. Whoa, okay. Okay, I'll go here. Probably go queen here, take this pawn. And then she has to drop it back. Or I guess give me the bishop, I guess, and then go here. And it should be checkmate, like very soon. Yeah, okay, that's just checkmate. Nice. So, I mean, there's nothing much to say there. Like, it's pretty similar to the first bot, right? But, okay, let's move on to our final bot, which is Pepe, however you pronounce his name, I'm not sure. Okay, let's go for a London system with bishop f4. Ooh, okay, queen to h4, okay. Respectable. Okay, so it goes for this bishop check. I guess I'll just take the bishop then. And then develop my knight, kick the queen away. And I don't know how good this bot is, but like, I guess, okay, I'll just keep developing. I mean, why not? Just do a standard London system development. Okay, so far this bot is not too bad. I mean, apart from the one bishop blunder. Okay, this move is just insane. Like what? King to g7. Okay, so I'll give a check. Probably, okay, doesn't that good of a move, I guess. Okay, how do I break through? Just push the pawns. Take, and then pick up the rook. Okay, it takes, and then I'll probably go here. Okay, it doesn't even take, interesting. Okay, that's actually a good move. Threatening to take my knight. I guess I'll take this and then move my knight back. Or I can just put this knight over here. Yeah, now my bishop's gone, so I'll go for this. Probably queen here. Queen here, and then, I mean, should be pretty close to winning. Okay, let's just bring our rook to the open file. Okay, there we go. Hangs the queen. Okay, and this is just checkmate. Okay, so yeah, that's the 3 bots of the new chess.com bots. Now, I think these bots are like long-term bots. They're not like a limited edition, if that makes sense. So you guys can like go and check that out if you want. Once again, it's like these new to chess bots basically on chess.com. And before there was actually just like the beginner bots, and the lowest rated guy was Martin, who's rated 250. But I guess like chess.com just wants to add even lower rated bots on their website. So yeah, you guys can check that out if you want. But yeah, so that was the 3 new bots of the chess.com series. If you guys enjoyed this, then be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.